Okay, another shot. Now let's start by balancing the shot. I'm going to come to the primaries here. Get the lift down. Okay, gamma up. Lift down. Okay, this looks good. Let's add a new node and increase the saturation. Still needs a bit of saturation also, so I'm not going to do the usual trick by coming to curves and going to luma versus saturation. I'm going to actually add a new node because I need to increase saturation in the image overall. I know I can do that in curves, but it's just easier to do it here. I'm just added a new node and increasing saturation and starting to look better. The first thing we'll notice is that in the midtones, the image is a bit green. The water looks green basically. So I'm going to come to gamma, which represents the midtones, and I'm going to come to green, get the green down just a little bit. Okay, now the shadows, the boat here is mostly shadows. In the shadows it's a bit red. I'm just going to take the red out of the shadows a bit. Okay, and adding a new node and increase saturation one more time. Okay, still a bit greenish in the midtones. I'm going to come here and just pull it away from green and pull shadows also away from red. It's a bit reddish. Okay, now I noticed that the image basically is blue, then this red area here, then blue. So what I'm going to do now is to try to control this part of the sky separately from this part of the sky separately from the water. So I'm going to go to nodes and add a serial node. And now I'm going to draw a window, okay, over the sky here, this part of the sky. So what I'm going to do is just zoom out a bit using the scroll wheel on the mouse. And I'm going to come to Windows, click here, and just draw the shape that I want. And great, we have the shape. Now there's no feathering on this shape whatsoever, so we have to come here and just increase the softness and increase it on the inside and on the outside. Okay, good. Let's reset the size of the image through hitting Shift and Z. And now let's add an outside node. Color nodes, add an outside node. Okay, I'm going to control this node now. And I'm just going to get the gain and try to make it more orangish. Yeah, good. And I'm going to come to the outside node now and try to push it toward blue. I'm going to do that through the gamma. Okay, now let's play the image. And even though that it's moving, it's okay. The position of the window here is working fine for us. Now let's take a look at the original image and this image. Shift and D.